Hello guys, welcome to Menen kanal. So today guys, gusto ko lang i-share or ituro ang mga some of the German words I know. Mga simple German words that I knew. So guys, welcome to my channel, Giza Rodriguez channel. Have fun and enjoy watching. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to Menen kanal. So today guys, gusto ko lang i-share or ituro ang mga some of the German words I know. Mga simple German words. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here's my lovey. He's so busy in his guitar. So guys, today I'm gonna share you some simple German word. First is hallo. So that means hello. The next is guten Appetit. Guten Appetit. So it means good appetite in English. Guten Tag. It means good day. And the next is Guten Abend. It means good evening. And the next is Guten Morgen. So it means good morning. Next is Danke. Means thank you. Or you can use Danke schön. Means thank you very much. This is bitte. Means welcome. Or bitte schön. And when there's a and then when there's a birthday guys, they will say alles Gute zum Geburtstag. So it means happy birthday, I wish you all the best, like that. Again, alles mean you can use was. There what is was. This ich liebe dich. That's the German word of I love you. Liebe means love. Um, like how are you? You can ask alles, alles ist okay. Then next is so for again. Hallo means hello. Guten Morgen means good morning. And Guten Tag means good day. Guten Abend means good evening. And Guten Appetit means good appetite. And Bitte schön means thank you very much. And bitte schön means welcome as an answer of Danke schön. And when there's somebody have birthday, you can greet alles Zoom alles guten Zoom Geburtstag means happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Somebody so you can ask alles ist okay. Then next is Ich liebe dich. That's the German word of I love you. And Liebe means love, love. Um, so that's all, guys.
Yeah.
That's all for today.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Yeah.
bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you.
Don't forget to subscribe
And to like and to
and to comment below if you want to comment. And that's